Hey everyone, I wanted to share with you this amazing little high pressure power washer that I have. It has 4 different nozzles that are gonna be from a 0 angle, 15, 25 degree, and 40 degrees. They are easily interchangeable and you can utilize this high pressure washer on a variety of things. Let me show you. The 40-degree nozzle can be used for more simple surface clean covering areas for a large area such as debris on your patio. The 15 and 25-degree nozzles can be used for cleaning of walls, fences, floor surface areas such as things like your driveway. The 15-degree nozzle will emit a more forceful pressure compared to the 25-degree, which can then be used for the tougher surface areas, deep crevices with that 15-degree nozzle. The 0-degree nozzle lets out a very concentrated stream of water to a more narrow, pinpointed area of coverage. Installation between the different nozzles is extremely easy and quick to do, one-handed in between my cleaning needs. It comes with the additional soap container, which makes it easy to attach onto the end piece for things like washing my car. This high pressure power washer allows you a wider range of uses due to its 23-foot long high pressure hose and its 24.5-foot long UL certified power cord, allowing you that extra range that you may need for your electricity as well as the water features. In case you don't have a spigot located nearby, you may also use other water sources with the connecting hose, such as a bucket full of water to meet your needs. This high pressure washer is going to have 4,800 PSI with 3.0 GPM to allow for that electric power washing pressure. It's going to give you 48 feet total length for high pressure washing for things such as your car, your fences around your yard, patios, porches, your decks, your patio furniture, your driveway, or any of your other needs around your home. Overall, I really like that this electric pressure washer is lightweight and easy to move around, which makes it efficient and accurate for all of my cleaning needs around the house. This pressure washer is also an anti-tipping design, which helps with stability while I'm cleaning so I don't have to worry about it constantly falling over. It also has a durable, upgraded stainless steel spray gun, allowing for durability and longevity of the unit itself.